Welcome to the next generation of wireless door control. Introducing the new RC DCK 433 Wireless Door Control Kit, a professional solution designed to simplify installation, improve accessibility, and deliver maximum reliability. Based on proven 433 MHz RF technology, this system ensures stable and interference-resistant communication, even in demanding environments. No wiring and no complexity, just fast installation and total flexibility for automatic doors, gates and industrial access systems. There are three possible operating modes: direct mode, pulse mode, continuous mode. Let's examine each mode more closely. Direct mode. Button 1 closes the relay. Button 2 opens it. Both actions can include a programmable delay from 1 to 250 seconds. Activation time T1 and deactivation time T2 can be set independently. Pulse mode. You can program both delay time T1 and pulse time T2 for button 1 and button 2. T1 is adjustable from 0 to 250 seconds, and T2 from 1 to 250 seconds. Continuous mode. In this operating mode, when a button on the remote control is pressed, the relay will activate and remain active as long as the button is held down.